Yo, we are finally in Mbale. Wow, I'm not seeing any thieves here. Traders, you should enjoy me when I'm just here. I'm not going back to Kampala.
Today, I'm joined by the team to go financially liberate the people of Mbale. For those who haven't been to Mbale before, I'm here to share my experience.
Yo, we are finally in Mbale. Wow, the city is so clean. It is very, very smart. It's quiet. I can't wait to have Malewa and Kamatore. I'm not seeing any thieves here.
With the beautiful night scenery in Mbale, I definitely had to take pictures for the gram.
We are finally at our venue. It has very nice lighting. It is a very nice looking space, you know. And I would like to just stay here in Mbale if it is possible, you know. Traders, you should enjoy me when I'm just here. I'm not going back to Kampala.
While waiting for our hotel rooms, Giant grew hungry, prompting us to venture out for breakfast. Unfortunately, our initial attempt was unsuccessful. Upon our return to the hotel, our breakfast was ready, bringing an end to our hunger quest.
Wow, the food here is just nice and exceptional. We haven't gotten Malewa, but then at least we had a very nice breakfast, and I think in 1 hour we are going to start our presentations.
I am Collins from Bali. I'm here at FX Pesa's seminar with Stuart and Giant. It's gonna be a live trading. I can't wait to have this live trading with them.
Guys, thank you for coming to Mbale here at Courts View, and I'm also very happy for the knowledge you guys have shared to us. Thank you very much.
So Mbale people, I think you've seen what we've done for you. We've caught the Euro USD sales on the news that we had today, and we made a lot of profits for Mbale people. So that's how it is always. Live trading analysis and then live trades. We enter in trades when you're aware, when you're seeing what you're doing. As we end in Mbale, I hope guys have enjoyed it. And you know what? People have decided that we should come back to Mbale next month. It means it was a massive turnout. People made money, and then at least we shared some strategies which are paid for elsewhere. Thanks for the turn up, guys.